up? What is up? What's going on, y'all? It's the new unit right here, the new addition to the collection. GoPro 8 Black. See it right there. Brand new out the box. Just opened the joint up. Got a battery on it charging right now. Gonna do a little bit of video footage with it. Appreciate the battery. I still got the battery. I got it's the same battery I used for my 7, also my Black 7. Let it charge right now. We'll get into it. It's my little collection of the GoPros back there. I got the 8 now, 7 black. My girlfriend got the 7 white. We got the 5 sessions, and I got the Fusion back there. I'm recording this right here on my phone right here, though. But yeah, man, I can't wait to get into this thing, man. See what she can do. I'm excited. This is a birthday present from a girlfriend. She looked out for me. She know I want another camera. Oh yeah, we're gonna test it out today. And today is Easter. Today is my birthday right now. Happy birthday to me. What's up, y'all? Let's go test this thing out. So right here, had footage with the new camera. What birthday presents I got? Let's go on my car's window screen right here for my sun visor right here. Yeah. Seat covers, red joints. This right here just regular 1080, just a linear view, not widescreen at all though. Outside here in this daylight now though, man, doing a little widescreen action. Checking it out. Go ahead, we test out this slow motion. Hold on, do it again. See how the light changed inside the garage in here. Oh, look good, huh? Let's see if you can see it. And for today, my birthday, I think I'm gonna be riding Big Red today though. Gonna pull out Big Red. Oh, poor car. You getting fixed soon. I got the bumper getting painted right now. It's gonna be right though, y'all. Right, see what this thing look like on the bike now. I got it on Big Red, man. Look at my helmet camera, nothing on. Just gonna try it out on the mount that came with my phone right here. Having this cookout, so these kids jump on this pogo stick.
Robert, you going to the country club?
Uh-oh.
You going to the country club?
Uh-oh.
Hey, Robert's next. Yeah.
Are you killing it, Kenton? This is about to be good right here. Watch out, Carter.
I'm too fat.
I think you can't come off the ground farther than that.
Hey, you doing it though. You doing better than I can do.
Oh my God, you're wearing off the rubber on the bottom. It's raining. I'm like 215, so you're like.
Hey, you pretty good at it though. Alright, y'all, that's a little bit of the quality right there with this cameraman. Back at the house, I've been out riding, went to a little cookout and stuff, y'all seen. Get some light up in this room. Yeah, so far, like, recorder-wise, I think it's pretty good. I haven't tested it. I haven't looked at this video yet, though, but tell me what y'all think, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look what else I got for my brother, y'all. This is right here, Beast, girlfriend got this right here, though. It's my, if y'all don't know, it's my, YouTube name on my gaming page. That's Beast. I like it. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be it right here for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Go home.